Hey everyone, we are in the factory. We have cleaned all the stuff out that was here before. The SeaPod Eco and the SeaPod flagship model that were here before. And of course the Eco model is on the water right now. So we are starting the SeaPod Eco number two. And so we have all the pieces for the subfloor section laid out right now. There's a total of 26 pieces. So we're just doing the final finishing for the tops and for the outside exterior surface. It's probably going to be another day or two to finish these pieces up. Then we will start assembling them. And so so we're starting production on number two, Eco number two. Fantastic, exciting. This is going to be a very different model. The bottom is going to be the same as we had before, like the subfloor sections here. We call these subfloor sections because they're under the floor, they're sub the floor. The rest of the pod is going to be quite different. It's going to be evolving, so you'll see that as it comes through. This will be used in a totally different location. This is meant for a deep water location, so the base is quite different. So we'll show that in upcoming videos.